So, you want to adjust settings for DTI Mobile, which is Dress to Impress within the Roblox app. I got you. Players in the USA often customize their Roblox experience for optimal play, and Dress to Impress is no exception. Most general settings like overall graphics quality and volume are controlled through the main Roblox app menu. While in any game including Dress to Impress, tap the Roblox icon, usually a square logo at the top corner of your screen, then tap Settings. Here you can adjust graphics to manual and lower them for performance or change volume. Dress to Impress itself also has some specific in-game setting options. According to players, there should be a settings button on the left side of the screen within the game, usually a gear icon where you might find toggles for game-specific features. Perhaps sound effects or visual options if the developers included them. And that's it.